Revision of formula discussed so far. The first formula we discussed is ddx of x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Second formula is ddx of e to the power mx, which is m into x e to the power mx. The third one is ddx of log mx equal to 1 by x. Here m disappears after differentiation. And the fourth one is ddx of c, where c is any constant, is equal to 0. These are the four most commonly used formula. Everywhere will require this formula. So please note it down, keep it handy. This formula will be used in the examples ahead. Solved examples for revision of differentiation of x to the power n, e to the power mx and log mx. Here color is to be noted. For n we are using blue color, e to the power mx, m is pink. For log mx, m is green. Find ddx of the following expressions, like x to the power 7 minus e to the power 5x, log 3x plus e to the power 2x, log 2x plus x to the power 3. Here we have got constant coefficient 3, e to the power 2x minus x to the power 8 plus 4. Now try these sums yourself, and after that you can check with the solved examples. So we are solving each sum step by step. The first one, ddx of x to the power 7 minus e to the power 5x. Here it becomes ddx of x to the power 7 minus ddx of e to the power 5x. So after differentiation, this becomes 7x to the power 7 minus 1, and this becomes 5 times e to the power 5x. So here two formulas are used, x to the power n and e to the power mx. The final answer is 7x to the power 6 minus 5 e to the power 5x. Now second sum. In this one we have got two functions. First one is log 3x, another one is e to the power 2x. Here also ddx will be applied on each term. So here ddx of log 3x minus ddx of e to the power x. ddx of log 3x is 3 times 1 by 3x, and ddx of e to the power 2x is 2 times e to the power 2x. So here 3 cancels out. So final answer is 1 by x minus 2 e to the power 2x. Now the third sum is ddx of log 2x minus x to the power 3. So here also we are applying ddx on each term, and final answer is 2 into 1 by 2x minus 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1. So it becomes 1 by x minus 3x square. Now the last sum, fourth sum, is d dx of 3 e to the power 2x minus x to the power 8 plus 4. Here also d dx is applied on each term. So d dx of 3 e to the power 2x minus d dx of x to the power 8 plus d dx of 4. So 3 here comes out of differentiation. E to the power 2x becomes 2 into e to the power 2x. X to the power 8 is 8 into x to the power 8 minus 1 plus d dx of 4 is 0. So final answer is 3 into 2 is 6 here, e to the power 2x minus 8 x to the power 7, and this is 0.